13, 13, 13. Hey y'all, Artist Poet Girl here, also known as APG Jamie.
And today we're going to make some ATCs. I'm not even recording the sound. Out of these pieces of cardboard. This is probably going to be one of the simplest cross fingers jumped in go to town boogie ATC I've done. So that's just a piece of fun foam. It's going to stamp out some wood texture.
So, yeah. Y'all, it's a Friday the 13th. Remember? You just can't make this stuff happen. I almost said the other S word. Anyway, that's a pretty good stamp. You know, it's on clearance. Was on clearance, you know. Clearance, my best friends, clearance. That's some Liquitex Matt Medium that I'm going to put over that Corrugate piece there. It's not a cardboard box. It's Corrugate, y'all. Happened to have been a box in its prior life, but now it's been upcycled. Oh, Matte Medium, so I can stick down the Deli Paper, which I need to add to my list of ingredients in the description box below, people. I should have even trimmed that out. Sometimes I just don't even know what I'm thinking. Sometimes I don't think I'm thinking. But maybe I was. I don't know. Because I don't even know when I'm going to talk again. Because the sound will come back. The video sound will come back. But I think it's not till later when I'm talking about the other stamp. Oh, y'all, the Deli Paper becomes pretty near transparent, all right, if you get enough matte medium underneath there and enough on top, and it just, you know, disappears pert near. Oh, I'm gonna use some heat gun in a minute. I don't know if I show you that part. It's such an exciting video, people. I probably worked on these ATCs about an hour, and I got the video whittled down to right at 13 minutes. Oh my gosh, how coinkadinkle is that? Hey, that's a hashtag caged fish circles stamp, y'all. I made that by watching her video. I will link to her channel, all right, in the description box, and if I can, I will also link in the iCards in the upper right hand corner, and you cannot see me pointing in the upper right hand corner. Oh my gosh, such a character. I learned, and the more I did the with that lid there, because I have double-sided tape on the back of my fun foam stamp, and that if I press it down inside there, I get a better stamp. Each one gets more butter and more butter. Oh, just keeps getting more butter. Now I'm going to cut these out because in my head they're targets. Okay? In my head they are targets. Because what else do you need on a piece of wood? Target. This is Superstitious ATCs, y'all. We're making ATCs in honor of superstitious people and superstitions. And that's one of them old-fashioned Dymo label maker clicker thingies. And I went real fast. Well, maybe not fast enough. Oh, goodness gracious, I need some more sugar. I told you, exciting. Just wait, y'all gonna see some real live action coming up later. See, superstition. And I sure hope I spelled it right, because I didn't get a red line in my word program. That's like a 1/8 of an inch hole punch. I'm not I've never measured it, but it's really teeny tiny, y'all. And I'm going to use some little teeny tiny brads because to me, in my head, they're going to be nails because they're nailing on the word superstition sign onto the piece of wood over the target. Does that make sense? It sure made sense in my head. So anywho, so I'm reaching for my Aleene's original tacky glue. Who knows what kind of glue that is? Yeah, I know you do. It's my favorite. So there I am, just sticking it down, and you know, I'm making 6 of these, and they're gonna be the same, but they're, you know, unique in themselves. Okay, now that is a sticker label, and all except one of them stayed stuck, which you'll see. I shouldn't have gave away that jumping secret. Anyway, that's pokey tool, and I'm poking a hole through the corrugate, not cardboard, corrugate, so I can put the brad in there, and then I'm splaying apart the little brad legs. Y'all, it's just going from bad to worse. Here's a little piece of paper I missed trimming off down there. And I thought, well, no, it won't trim off at all. So you know what? I'm just going to ink over it. Nobody's going to know the difference. Nobody will be any wiser. And no, I'm not off screen to the side. I'm perfectly in screen. It's just not in the center of the screen. No, don't worry. There'll be more screen issues later. I'm sure. So I printed out a little bit of information about the saying knock on wood, and I don't have it in front of me, so I can't read it to you now. But anyway, I made like a little flip out, fold over thing with my typical ATC back that I put on all my ATCs, because I just like to do that, y'all. And so I'm making like a little flap so I can stick my regular back to it so that it'd open up like a little book. Only it's not a book. I know it's obvious that I'm not Captain Obvious. Anyway, I'm going to use some double-sided tape. I think I got it from Tuesday morning. The name of it is in the description box below, along with the other pertinent information about the other ingredients I used. Okay? And a link to Caged Fish Carla, because y'all need to check her out. Trimming it up. I used my thumbnail like a bone folder. Not a real bone. It has a real bone in it, though. As my thumb does, anyway. So I'm pulling off the release paper, and I'm lining up my printed ATC back. And here comes that real bone folder. No, it's not a real bone. And there's the ATC. I'm like, does that even fit? Does it? I don't know. I can't quite determine if it fits. Oh, wait. Maybe I need to trim just a little bit. Just a little bit. See, just a little bit. I'm going to get that glue again. Glued it all up. I made the hole bigger, you know, when I cut the nozzle off to open the nozzle on that bottle of glue, and I think I got it just a little bit too big of a hole. Just saying. It comes out really good, y'all. And did I make sure I was getting it on there right? Because I get them on there. I get all of them on there right. I know that in itself was a miracle. I'm just saying. And be careful when you run your fingers across the ends of papers and corrugate like that, because, you know, that stuff will cut you. Not this time, but it can. It has previously before, but not that time. Look. It makes me so sick and happy, because this is the second time I tried to make a set of ATCs in honor of superstitions. Okay.
Something there. And I have this clearance stamp from the Hobby Lobby.
And the first time they didn't not come out. So I thought, well, you know, I need something on the inside. So anyways, I was talking again for a second there. Did you hear me? I don't know if you heard me. Anyway, I think that's all I have to say for the rest of the video. in the sound in the video. I think. Isn't that pretty? I really like that tree. The name escapes me. I have the doors and windows open because it actually is a pleasant day today. I don't know how that happened, but it's true. See, dogs. So now we're just going to go really fast and assembly line this. Okay? Live action. Get ready. Can you see this? Go, go, gadget wheels. I mean, hands. Oh, Lord, bless my heart. I hope you guys are having a great day. And 13 is just a number, y'all. It's just another number as we go speedily along to make these other ATCs. There will be a photo montage, and it will be in, another minute-ish. No, it's true. Y'all see that one kept jumping off there? So I had to put some glue on it, and then it finally held when I put the brads in. I love that brad. Ink and edge all around it. And I come back and do I show that part? Well, we just all of a sudden went real slow. Oh, I got to put the rest of the backs on. I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all. That thinking issue again. Oh, goodness gracious. Anywho, it's almost photo montage. So I inked around the back as well. So, yeah. I'm so happy you guys spend your time with me. I hope you enjoy my videos, that you're encouraged and inspired to art your own way. And let it be happy for you, okay? Because if it's not happy, stop doing it. It doesn't make you happy. If it stresses you out, just stop doing it. I said so. Okay? Okay. Oh, that disclaimer screen's coming up in about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, 10. Thanks for watching. And